Hello all, today in this video as previously mentioned we are going to show vehicle detection in Matlab in video. For that we are just using the Matlab's already using video only. So in images there is no need to convert the image into frames since it's already in a frame only. But in video we have to convert the image it into frames since we will work with only each and every frames only. So since in this video we are just having some less than 60 seconds video, so in line 7 we are just reading the different frames in the video. So since it's less than 65 seconds video, we are just ending that the total number of frames as 150. So if you are using some different and high size video, that is a high seconds video, means please change the frame size. Next we are just showing it, and then that is we have to see the foreground of the image. Then here we are using the blob analysis code. The blob analysis will just check with the bounding box area, centroid and blob area of an vehicle or some other object which is coming in the video. Then we are just putting the B box also, which is calling the blob analysis output and also the filtered foreground output. That is, since we are it will work with each frame separately. To work with each frame separately, we will call an while loop. You can see in 29 live we have call a while loop. So for it will, this while loop will run, that is it will take a loop for every frame. So once it this loop will end, only all the frames of the video has just detected. So in the final it will show what is the final cost detected in that particular frame. For each frame it will show that if in, for example, in frame 2 there is two images, means in that a box will be displayed and it is 2. In frame 3 only one, means it's a 1. So like that it will be displayed. So here also the video player position, that is width and height, is 650 into 440, that is 3:4 ratio. If you are using some other width and height, means please just specify this, or else please confirm that whether your video is having the same width and height. So in the next video we are working with some other video other than the video in Matlab. So in that video we are working with some other video and we have changed that width and size into 650 something, that is within this. So now we are just running the code. You can see, so this is the initial for. Now you can see the difference. So for each frame you can see in the left side top the number of while it is occurring, for each frame the number of vehicles is changing. So this is the code for vehicle detection in video in Matlab. So this is the basic blob analysis code only. So in the next video we can just work with the same code but with a different video. Thank you.